Here we have a 2020 Nissan Armada Platinum. And this one comes in Mocha Almond Pearl on black perforated leather seats. And the powertrain consists of a 5.6 liter V8, made it to a 7-speed automatic transmission. Got your daytime running lights, fog lights, headlights. And there are your 20-inch aluminum wheels. There you've got your running boards. Got passive keyless entry on the front 2 doors. Memory seating. Power door locks, power windows, power mirrors. And there are your controls for your power hatch, heated steering wheel, as well as your other options we'll get into shortly. And there's your steering wheel. Got a power driver seat with power lumbar support. Got a dual rear entertainment system. Gonna hop in the back seat. And of course your Armadas are known for having really good rear seat room, and this one's no different. Got plenty of room to move. You've also got rear heated seats with rear AC controls. And there's your third row back there. And as you can see, you have vents throughout for your rear passengers. And there's your rear trunk space. And then if you want to fold the seats down, all you do, right side to fold back, left side to fold forward, and that's how you do the left or the right side. And there's your passenger seat. You've also got power with power lumbar support. So you got a Bose sound system, along with your navigation here. There's your backup camera. You've got a 360 view as well. Also got dual zone automatic climate controls. And then for audio, you've got AM, FM, XM, as well as Bluetooth audio. And you've got heated and cooled seats in the front. And there's your shifter there. Got reverse, neutral drive, and then pull over to shift manually. Got a power sunroof. There's your glove compartment in there. You've got your owner's manuals as well. So there's just a look of how you control your system there. If you want to connect a Bluetooth device, you just hit that and then connect it with the device in your hand. Pretty self-explanatory. And then you've got a rear camera mirror here with your garage door transmitters. You can just flip that on and off by pushing this back and forward. And then back to the steering wheel, of course, you can control your radio from here. Then on this side, you've got your cruise controls and such, which we're going to test out here momentarily. And then you can mess with your gauge cluster by pushing this button. And there's your push button start. And there's your key fob with remote start. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's under the hood. And there's that 5.6 liter V8. So next we're going to go ahead and take this 2020 Armada Platinum out on the road for a test drive. Very good pickup from the 5.6 liter. And I like how the brakes kind of coincide with the size of this vehicle. The Armada is a big SUV, and you want brakes that are going to be able to feel beefy when stopping, not something that you have to floor the brake pedal on. Yeah, this 5.6 liter definitely has a lot of power. So the lane departure is pretty accurate. And overall, the ride is just great. And very quiet within the cabin too. So I've been driving this for quite some time, and it's really, I can't say enough about how good the ride quality is in these. Just overall, I've had no issues whatsoever. The ride has just been, whether I'm going over bumps, potholes, or whatever, it's just been as smooth as can be. So my adaptive cruise control right now is keeping a safe distance between myself and the car in front of me. And even though I have it set at a little higher, it's not letting me get too close to that car in front of me as it's going slower than I am. And I didn't touch the brake, not touching the gas. And that's just the radar doing everything for me. And one thing I will say about the seats in this, the cooled seat is really, really awesome. Like a lot of your cooled seats blow out chilled air, but this one is slowly cooling me down. Like it's starting to get cold, which is how I like it. This brings me to the end of my review of the 2020 Nissan Armada Platinum.